Myomectomy or hysterectomy is one of the biggest, most personal questions women with fibroids face. I know this can feel overwhelming, so let's walk through how to think about this decision together. At its core, the choice often comes down to one fundamental question. Do you want the option to have children in the future? A myomectomy is a procedure where we remove just the fibroids, leaving your uterus intact. This preserves your ability to become pregnant. So if future fertility is a priority for you, a myomectomy is typically the path we'd explore first. A hysterectomy, on the other hand, involves removing the entire uterus. This means pregnancy is no longer possible. Now, even if you've completed your family, you might still prefer a myomectomy simply because you wish to keep your uterus. That's a completely valid feeling and an important part of the conversation. The other key factor to consider is recurrence. With a myomectomy, because the uterus remains, there is a chance that new fibroids could grow in the future. A hysterectomy is the only guaranteed permanent solution for fibroids. They cannot come back, so the decision is a balance. It's about weighing your desire for future fertility and uterine preservation against the desire for a permanent solution to your symptoms. The number, size, and location of your fibroids also play a role in what's surgically possible. This is a deeply personal choice, and there is no single right answer. The best decision is the one you make in partnership with your doctor based on your health, your life goals, and what matters most to you. I hope this framework helps you start that conversation. If you found this helpful, please consider sharing it with someone who might be navigating this choice, and subscribe for more clear answers to your health questions.